We've set the bubble wall up with the video monitor behind it, and we're currently running the topmost bar, which actually gives quite a nice result. It's interesting because when we built a bubble wall in the past, we found a bit of a curl on the left side, and as we're going down with the bars that are currently running in here, you get to see a very similar curl when you go down towards the bottom. Now you can see where the sun is at the moment. It's reasonably bright and you can actually see the bubbles, but the bubbles are not very visible with the dark part of the video, and so lighter video gives you more visibility. So Sergey had a look at it, and he put some LED lights on there which will turn on now, and we'll just cycle some colors, and you'll see what an incredible difference it makes when you do that. Adds a lot of interest. And we can either just put something like that on and let it run, or we can have show control of those lights, of those additional lights. And obviously it lights up the whole of the side as well, but the good part of that I presume is going to be hidden, and even if it isn't, it is kind of nice. Now if we start the video again, you will see that the overall effect really works when you have a black or a dark background.
But there is a problem. The Earth doesn't travel on a path around the Sun that returns to its starting point. So how do we know when a year starts?
So that's kind of where you have it. And now if we run something brighter, you got anything brighter there we can run, Sergey? Then what you're going to find is that that rather nice color is a lot less visible. As the brightness of the video goes up, like this. So the color of the LED lighting has kind of gone away. There's still a little bit of it, adds a hint of color, but the overall effect is lovely. Sergey, can you try some of the other bars so that they can see the difference in the bubbles? So this is the top bar running at the moment, which is quite nice. It's actually quite noisy, as I think you will have probably picked up on by now. There is a second bar, and a third one. And you can start seeing that curl that we experienced in the past on the left side. It's not that heavy yet, but we learned something from this as well, which is kind of cool. Anyway, the next one. And there's a bottom bar running. So it's better when the bar is a little bit further up in the tank. So you might want to consider making it ever so slightly deeper to accommodate hiding the air bar, but putting it away from the absolute bottom of the tank. Anyway, there you have it. Like it, nice effect. Extremely heavy though, and you're gonna have a good few £100 worth of acrylic and water there.